Welcome to our tutorial on tracking metrics such as bounce rate and time on page. What is bounce rate? Bounce rate is the percentage of visitors who land on a website and leave without interacting with any other pages or elements on that site. How is bounce rate calculated? Bounce rate is calculated by dividing the number of single-page sessions by the total number of sessions and then multiplying by 100. What is a good bounce rate? A good bounce rate varies depending on the type of website and the industry, but generally, a lower bounce rate indicates better engagement. A bounce rate below 40% is considered excellent. What is time on page? Time on page is a metric that measures the average amount of time visitors spend on a specific page before navigating away or interacting with another page. It provides insights into user engagement and can help determine the effectiveness of a web page in capturing and retaining visitors' attention. By analyzing time on page, website owners can identify pages that may need improvement to increase user engagement and optimize the overall user experience. How is time on page calculated? Time on page is calculated by subtracting the timestamp of when a user arrived on a page from the timestamp of when they navigated away or interacted with another page. Why is tracking bounce rate and time on page important? Tracking bounce rate and time on page is crucial for understanding user engagement and the effectiveness of website content. By monitoring these metrics, you gain valuable insights into how visitors interact with your site. A high bounce rate indicates that users are leaving your site quickly, suggesting a lack of engagement or relevance. Similarly, analyzing time on page helps identify if users are spending enough time consuming your content. These metrics allow you to pinpoint areas that need improvement and optimize the user experience. Ultimately, tracking bounce rate and time on page helps you make data-driven decisions to enhance your website's performance. What are some strategies to reduce bounce rate? To reduce bounce rate, it is crucial to focus on improving website loading speed, enhancing content quality and relevance, optimizing user interface and navigation, and providing clear calls to action. Slow loading speed can deter visitors, so optimizing it is essential. Content should be engaging, informative, and relevant to the audience's needs. User interface and navigation should be intuitive and easy to use, ensuring a seamless browsing experience. Clear calls to action guide visitors towards desired actions, reducing the likelihood of bouncing. Implementing these strategies can help decrease bounce rate and improve overall website performance. How can time on page be increased? To increase time on page, create engaging and interactive content that captures the reader's attention. Include relevant internal links throughout the content to encourage further exploration and keep users on the page for longer. Improve the page design and layout to make it visually appealing and easy to navigate. Additionally, optimize page load times to ensure a smooth user experience. By implementing these strategies, you can effectively increase the time users spend on your page. We have now come to the end of the tracking metrics such as bounce rate and time on page tutorial. Thank you for your time.